Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by securing your data and freeing space. Create a full backup or system image so you can recover if anything goes wrong. Then shrink your Windows partition in disk management to leave 4080 gigabytes for Zorin. Once done, download the Zorin OS ISO and write it to a USB using Rufus or Baelna Etcher. Make sure you pick the correct target drive. This prepares the machine and avoids accidental override of Windows, which is the core reason for these steps. You now boot the USB in the same firmware mode Windows uses, UEFI in most cases, because mismatched modes break the bootloader. Use gparted or the Zorin installer to create an ext4 root partition and optional swap or home. If Windows already has an EFI partition, do not format it. Just mount it as /boot/EFI. Make sure installers target the new ext4 partition for Zorin. This partitioning choice preserves Windows and gives Zorin its own. You proceed with the installer. Choose the manual option, point root to the ext4 partition, and install grub into the existing EFI partition so both systems appear in the boot menu. Once installation finishes, reboot and use the grub menu to choose an OS, or change the UEFI boot order if needed. If Windows does not show, boot Zorin and run sudo update grub. If that fails, use Windows Recovery to repair the Windows bootloader, then re-add grub. This fixes most dual boot issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.